Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you how you can use Hire Me app for your assessment. So your first step is you need to download Hire Me app through Play Store. This is my Play Store. Go to Play Store. On the search box, search for Hire Me app. This is the Hire Me app. I have already downloaded it. So you can download it from here. I'll just open the app. This is the Hire Me app. You don't need to do anything in the name, mobile number and email address. You just go to the do you have test pin and there is a go button. You need to click on go button, and for that you need a test pin. Enter test pin here. So you'll get your test pin on your mail ID. So go to your Gmail. You'll get the test pin like this. I have got the Hire Me email. Click on the email, and this is my test pin H434432. Just select the test pin, copy it, and again go to Hire Me app. And do you have test pin? Yes, I have test pin. Then click on go button, paste the test pin, click on submit. Okay, so now you need to click the picture, front camera, click on this yellow button. So just click the picture. Like I have clicked mine. Click on proceed button now. So you have to read the instructions now, exam instructions. Read all the instructions carefully, and there must be a timer below it. So now you have to click on I read all the instructions and then click on proceed button. So make sure your photo should be here, and you can see these 4 boxes. Green means complete, blue means incomplete, gray means the light gray, that white means not started, and this dark gray means you are freezed. Freeze means you have caught cheating and your test is being disqualified. Okay, so there are 2 sections you can see here, section A and section B. So just click on section A, click on start exam. You can see total questions 3. Click on start exam. This is section introduction. This section contains MCQ type questions. Then click on proceed. Now your video should come here, and make sure it should be turned on. You can see the time here, the countdown, 19 minutes 48 seconds now. So now read the question, which is not a panel in a Photoshop. Okay, click on next button. Which of the following is an output device? Okay, then again click on next. You can go to previous button, previous question also. How many keys are there on a keyboard? Again now, if all the questions have been attempted, then click on submit button, or you can click on mark for review if you are not sure. I'll click on submit button. Do you want to finish this section? Yes. Then click on OK. Now section A is completed. It's green in color now. Now go to section B, start exam, section introduction. This section contains fill in the blanks and subjective type questions. Click on proceed button. So answer the following question now. What are input devices? Question number 1. How many types of printer are there? So you can write your answer here. First, input devices. Write your answer here. Then second answer, how many types of printer are there? Say 4 types. And then if you want to attach a file, if you want, you can write on a piece of paper, and you can turn on your camera, click the picture. So for that, click here to add attachment option is here. Click here, click on add files option, click on camera. So you can click the photograph. Suppose this is my answer. I'll click the picture, tick. My file has been attached now. Then go back. You can view your file by clicking on the view button, or you can delete also by clicking on cross button. So right now my file is correct. So next, click on next now. The second question, dash is an input device. I'll say mouse. And then click on submit. You can attach your file here also. Do you want to finish this section? Yes. So section A and section B both are completed now. Okay, so now you can click on end test button here at the top corner. Are you sure you want to finish? Yes, I am sure. So these are your marks of section A only the MCQ, not the subjective. For subjective, you will get marks after the checking. Your class in charge will tell. Then click on OK button. That's it. Thank you.